7:30, 4.5 hours. And people are waking up, so energy levels on the rise.
I heard eggs, sweet rolls.
Yeah, she was cooking bacon and cinnamon rolls. Mary's gone off the reservation. Normally she starts with healthy, but apparently for Sunday morning we have to throw the rules out the window.
Hey, Mary.
It does feel like a much emptier racetrack than what we started with. You know, ultimately it seems to be the better prepared and the stronger endurance cars that rise to the top. The luxury Don't Crash Racing E0 leading Ford Mustang, in about 3 or 4 laps time, will overhaul the JFC Wolf and put itself into P6 overall. That is that team's second ever race with that car. It's their first attempt at the 25 hour, and they came here going, just going to turn laps and run the car. The Winding Road Mustang has been, dare I say, bulletproof.
Still first in class, creeping up on, I think 6th or 7th overall, and about ready to put Tom Brown in the car, who claims he's going to put in some conservative laps, but I got to see it to believe it. Everybody's pretty excited.
Be remiss without mentioning our E0 leader as well, the luxury Don't Crash Racing Ford Mustang Boss 302S with support from Winding Road. 626 laps complete with 42 minutes remaining in their first 25 hours of Thunderhill.
Okay, you can come in this lap, pit this lap, we're going to change a tire.
Yeah, not a bad debut. Safe to say they've shown the BMWs up. They've got 13 laps over their nearest competitor, 30 laps over third, 50 laps over fourth. And fourth was the defending champion.
Nice steady pace. All the drivers have been nice and steady.
There haven't really been drama moments, which is the way to win a 24-hour, 25-hour race.
Smooth, steady, no drama. It's what you need for long races.
The last bit of the 25-hour Thunderhill.
Those are some sweet looking laps though. We're looking at race monitor going, woo! Woo!
That was solid, dude.
Yeah, I think my fastest time I passed a Radical into turn 1.
Oh, nice!
That's how you know it's going to be a good one. What did you do?
You passed a Radical into 1. Wow!
I don't know what he was doing, going way too slow.
I don't know what he was doing, but doesn't matter. It counts. This is the time when you start imagining sounds in the car that probably aren't there, or probably are there and have been there forever, but you really start noticing them because you're like, oh, the car's gonna break. I just know it, the car's gonna break. We're 12 laps ahead of the second place car and 14 laps ahead of the third place car in our class. So if we don't break, these guys can't catch us at this point.
It was fun, but wanted plenty. Other than the 24 hours, another 24 hours of Daytona? Now that! I don't want to do any more 25s.
Once it's announced that it is the last lap, all of the team members can run over to the pit wall. They will lean over the pit wall and welcome their cars home.
Here we go.
It's going to be the number 24 Rotec Racing Audi TT RS who brings home the overall victory. Radical West Racing will bring home the ESR victory. E0 will be won by the number 18 Luxury Don't Crash Racing Mustang. E1 will be the Honda Research West 1, the Acura ILX. E2 will be Sector Purple Racing, and E3 RJ Racing.
He won! Yes!
Getting across that finish line in the last lap, that was insane. All the guys were racing with the same speed car with twice the fuel economy. How are we supposed to beat that? Very good job. I thought podium would be possible because there aren't that many cars in our class, so you know, a couple of guys could break, and I honestly thought El Diablo or the Pure Performance guys would destroy us.
Nobody ever runs an endurance race and just drives hard all the way through and doesn't have problems. I mean, we had 2 light contacts and 1 very minor broken part. That doesn't happen. Not only do we go through more tires and we use more fuel than everybody else, but that means we have to do so many more stops, which gives us so many more chances to make mistakes. Most of our crew hadn't met each other until 3 days ago, and they were able to work together insanely well.
How many times I gotta tell you, this car is awesome! It's all about winning here. We won this thing. It's crazy. We won this thing. It's awesome. Yeah, crossing the start-finish checkered flag.
Every dad should get to race with his son. Unbelievable.
No one was ever proud of something they didn't work hard for, and you know, this is no different.
We're really fortunate. We're blessed to be able to do these things. I really want to thank the Martins for the opportunity because what a great family.